Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for Precalculus. First, solidify your foundational algebra. This means confidently solving linear, quadratic, and polynomial equations, along with inequalities. You should also thoroughly understand functions, including how to determine their domain and range, and how to find inverse functions. Spend time practicing graphing different types of equations, recognizing key features like intercepts and asymptotes. A strong grasp of these core concepts will provide a solid bedrock for more advanced topics. Next, dive into trigonometry. Familiarize yourself with the unit circle, memorizing the exact values for sine, cosine, and tangent at common angles like 0, pi over 6, pi over 4, pi over 3, and pi over 2. Dedicate time to solving trigonometric equations and proving identities, as these are crucial skills. Also, understand the graphs of the basic trigonometric functions, recognizing their amplitude, period, and phase shifts. This will be a significant component of Precalculus. Now, let's tackle advanced algebra and functions. Gain a deep understanding of exponential and logarithmic functions, including their inverse relationship and how to solve equations involving them. Explore sequences and series, learning about arithmetic and geometric progressions, and the binomial theorem for expanding expressions. Finally, familiarize yourself with complex numbers, understanding their structure and how to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These topics bridge the gap to calculus. To truly excel, adopt effective study strategies. Consistent practice is key. Work through numerous problems from various sources to reinforce your understanding. Don't hesitate to use all available resources, including your textbook, online video tutorials, and forming study groups with peers. If you find yourself struggling with a concept, reach out to your teacher or a tutor for personalized help. Dedicate at least 5 hours a week to focus study for optimal preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.